Today we're going to learn how to subtract using an array. In this problem I have 20 minus 13. As you notice, I have rows and columns. The goal here is to have an array of the larger number, which is, in this case, is 20. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first row, one time, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second row, a second time, again in the third time, a fourth time, and a fifth time. Now we have the columns up and down. In these columns I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one column of 5, 2 columns of 5, 3 columns of 5, and 4. So we have a total of 4 columns of 5, and we have a total of 5 columns of 1, 2, 3, and 4. When we multiply 5 times 4, that gives us a total of 20 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is correct. In this instance, we're going to take away 13. So now that we've verified we have 20, we want to remove 13 blocks. If I count 13 blocks, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 blocks. I remove 13 blocks from this, which leaves me with how many blocks left over. So now we can count how many we have left over. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now that leaves us with 7 blocks left over. And we took away 13 blocks from 20. So our answer would be 7. So 20 minus 13 is 7. Let's try another problem. Here is another problem. Here we have 15 minus 11. In this array, we have 15. We have 3 columns of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that'd be 5, 10, 15. These are 3 columns of 5, which equals 15. Another way to look at this as rows. We can have 1, 2, 3 rows, another 3, another 3, another 3, and another 3. You can add all of these up and you will get 6, 6, 3, 12, 3, 12 plus 3 equals 15. There's many ways to do this. Once we've verified that we have 15 in our array, we're going to want to take away 11. Now that we've verified that 15, 3, 2, 1. Now we can take 11 out of this array of 15. We can simply count along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We now know that we have 4 left. 15 minus 11 is 4. Next, we're going to use an array to solve addition problems. Here we have 15 plus 15 equals what? I have created an array of 15, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 columns of 5 is 15. To verify, I have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 again here, 1, 2, 3 again, and again, and again. I can add all of these together, and this should give me 15. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Another 3. Now we can do our 6 plus 6 is 12. And then we can add our 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. Another way you can do this is by 5s. We can go and count by 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5, 5, 5. And then we can add these together, which is we can count by 5, 5, 10, 15. So that would be 15. So I know I have 15 squares in here. So if I have 15 squares and I need to add another 15 squares, what I could do is add another 15 to this, like so. Now that I've added 15, let's count our rows and columns again to see how many we have. Again, our columns are right here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this column. We know every column is the same height and the same amount, so we can add 5 for every column we have. Now that we've counted every column, we can add them all together. We know 5 plus 5 is 10. Another 5 plus 5 is 10, and another. Counting by tens, adding all 3 of these up is 10, 20, 30. So we know that our total is 30 squares. So this gives us our answer. 30. Our answer will be 30. 15 plus 15 is 30. Another way to do this problem is looking at the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 here. We have another 6, another 6, another 6, and another 6. We can add these all together, which will give us our sum. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. We have another 6. We can add 12 plus 12 together, which is 24. Now we're going to have to add our 6 plus 24, which gives us 30. Our final answer, 15 plus 15, is 30. Here's another problem. We have 10 plus 12. Again, here I have an array of 10 plus an array of 12. Keep in mind, when you're adding both, you want to have similarities between the columns or the rows. In this case, I have the similarity of the columns right here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in every column. So when I add my 12s, I want to make sure I have the same number in the same columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. That way things can line up quickly when I add. When I add the 10 and the 12, I will get a sum. And when it's because it's lined up with the same amount in each column, it's easy to add together. So I can take this and line it up like so. So now I have my problem joining both 10 and 12, and we can count the total here. The easiest way to do this is to look at where you have symmetry here. We have in 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 are in this row, another 4 in this row, another 4 here, and another 4 here, and another 4 here. And to distinguish this a little bit better for you, we can see it this way, going all the way down, these 4. Now we can add this part together to get a total. We have 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, and we have another 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. We still have the 8 left over. We're going to add 8 plus 12 is 20. Now we have 2 more that we need to count. So we can add the 2 more that we have here, which is the 1, 2. We have 2 here, plus the 20 that we have from this group. So it'll be 20 plus 2, and this will give us 22. So our answer is 22. 10 plus 12 is 22. Here is another option for adding 10 and 12. You can do it in a simpler way and have lower values for your addition. In this case, I did my columns to be in multiples of 2 for easier addition. And this is one column of 2, another column of 2, another column of 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. We can add these together, and this is verified. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is 10. Then over here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus another 2 and another 2. We add this together and we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. When we add 10 plus 12, we can put these together, and now we can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So the answer for this one would be 22. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you in your addition and subtraction. Have a great day.